Hey guys, good morning. It's super early right now and I just woke up. My face is still kinda tired, but I thought I was gonna do a pregnancy test. Right now I have my pee. This is an early morning pee. I don't know. I've always been told that it's better to do the early pee when the pee is very concentrated. I don't know if that's true or is that not when you do the pregnancy test. So we're going to do a pregnancy test. I've missed my period for a few days now and it's time to do a test. And you're gonna do it with me. And right now I'm using the Equate. I just got this at Walmart and there's 2 in here, so I'm a little nervous. Okay, so there, okay. And we got 2, but we're just going to use 1. Okay, this is it. Let's see if I'm gonna be pregnant. Okay, 5 kids, so this is gonna be my 5th kids. Okay, so you can see it's still empty, so if it has 2 bars, then I'm pregnant. Okay, kinda shaking a little bit. Okay, this is it. Okay, I think we just tip it. Okay, I've been doing this 4 times now with my previous kids and I'm still very nervous. Okay, let me turn it on this side so I don't have to see. Okay, I'm putting it down. Okay, so how long does it say? Oh, results in 2 minutes. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see this. Okay, so right now I'm flipping it on this side because I don't want to see the result yet. Okay, I don't know. Whatever the result is. Who is it? Okay, I think my kids are awake. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'm gonna put the lid on. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh. You guys, I see a little bit of a line there, second line. So, I don't know what that means. I think I might be pregnant. I'm kind of shaking a little bit. Okay, so the second line is getting brighter and brighter. Can you see it? You guys, I think I'm pregnant. What? Okay. I'm shaking. Well, that's it. Well, okay, I'm gonna be a mom of 5 kids. Okay, so hopefully this one will be a boy because we've been trying to go for a boy. We already have 4 girls and we're trying to go for a boy. I will be happy no matter what, but you guys, we're pregnant. I am very happy. And I'm a little nervous. I don't know. I haven't done this. My youngest kid is almost 6 now. She'll be 6 this year, and I haven't done this in a long time. So I think I have to relearn everything again. Okay, hang on. My girls are awake. Hey, girls, come here. Okay. Come on, hurry. Okay. Oh, you guys are ready for church? Come on.
I'm not ready yet.
What? That's fine. Okay. Come on. Get it?
Yes.
Okay, come on, Tia. Okay. I don't know. Okay, good morning, girls. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, guess what this is?
A pregnancy test.
How did you know?
Because I know what they look like.
Yes. We're gonna have a baby.
Really?
Yeah.
It better be a boy.
I want a
boy.
What, a boy?
Yes.
Yeah. So, mommy's pregnant. And see, it means that we're pregnant because it has 2 bars.
It's a P.
That's P.
Ew.
Yeah. How do you guys feel?
I feel
Happy?
excited.
Happy? Surprised? Yeah, well, I'm still shaking, but yeah, so there you go, you guys. We're going to have a baby. I don't know, we won't know if it's a boy or it's a girl,
Better be a
but
boy.
better be a boy.
Or else his family has a curse.
We'll always be happy if it's a boy or if it's a girl, but yeah, I'm really excited. I thank Heavenly Father for this blessing, and I'm really grateful. So, wish us luck. Okay, are you girls gonna help?
Yes.
Yeah, with the baby?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. We got lots of helpers. All right. Thank you so much, you guys. She's still sleeping. Wait, good morning, honey. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, guess what? We got a surprise for you. Do you know what this is? No?
She's pregnant.
We're gonna have a baby.
Are you guys pranking me?
Huh? No, we're not
It's your face
tricking
that you're
you.
making. The face,
Huh?
the face that she's making, that's what
Yeah.
it is.
No, Lucy. If it shows like a
2 lines, that means she's pregnant. If it's 1 line, if she isn't pregnant, she has 2 lines.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a baby.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You won't be the youngest
You
anymore.
won't be the youngest anymore.
So you won't get anything you want.
She's trying not to cry. I see kind of tears.
Yeah.
No, I don't have tears.
I see tears.
No, I don't.
Your room is messy, honey.
Wake up.
Wake up, Daddy.
What?
Mommy's pregnant.
There you go, babe.
Oh, Lisa.
You're gonna be a dad
A 5.
of 5.
A 5.
Well,
Oh,
kind
no.
of 6 because it's secret.
Oh, because yeah,
Well,
okay.
secret does take a lot of energy too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good job, Pisu.
Oh, thank you, babe. Well, he's not phased. We've done this 5 times now, so. Alright, well, go back to sleep, babe.